which I always think is good to cover up that, so you don't get any like little bits poking through.
Yep.
And then I'm looking at going about there for your hairline.
You know, they got it, so.
And you just put your head forward for me. And a bit more. And a bit more.
How you feel?
And it feels, well, it doesn't really feel like it's on there, but it feels complete now.
Yeah?
Yeah. It feels really nice. It depends how we look after them, I think, as well. When they are solid, they are.
It's the same as the hair system, mate. Look after it, and then you know.
Yeah.
What about eating?
I don't eat them on.
You don't?
They say you can. I don't feel comfortable with them on.
So what are we talking about at the moment, Sean?
Roll out my teeth. First come, first serve in this, or don't something says. So God knows when you'll be like, well, they're kind of driving when I get there.
How are you?
Yeah.
I mean, it is a difference from the double facial, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, that's good, I think.
Probably was here, like.
It's gorgeous, Sean. Oof.
You go for it, Lisa.
Gonna egg her on now because she's eating that.
Yeah.
A little bit for me.
I love it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Love it.
No, it's staying in there, yeah, so that's nice.
Oh, it's gorgeous. My God. Totally different. So we've got this now.
That's mad, isn't it? It is me, isn't it?
Yeah. You're not dreaming, you.
No, pitch myself. I wouldn't wake up going, is it a dream?
Oh, that's nice.
That looks gorgeous.
Do you fancy me even more?
Yeah. Definitely.
You'll be renewing your wedding vows now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I'll come to that as well.
Yeah,
I'm going to
mate.
be there for everything now.
Oh, you remember one of my phone now, you are?
They're going to be like, who's that?
Oh, it's mad, isn't it? God.
It's like you, was it?
Nah. She looks like I feel it. It's mad, isn't it?
So if I give you this,
Yeah.
I'm going to turn the chair around a little bit. So if you position it there,
Really good, isn't it? Right, go on, so
and then I'm going to keep going.
yeah.
The back, so that's it.
God.
Gorgeous.
Gonna keep going that way. Side.
Yeah, love it.
Sean, does it feel like Christmas?
That's for me.
Does Christmas come early?
Yeah, super early.
What do you think?
That now.
Yeah, get ready. Great stuff.
Love it, Flash.
Well done, mate.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.